Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Primary 4? Welcome to the science session.
Our lesson today is types of living organisms. Living organisms are classified according to their feeding into producers, consumers, and decomposers. Consumers are divided into two types: direct consumers and indirect consumers. Producers are the living organisms that make their own food by photosynthesis. All green plants are producers, like trees. Green plants are called autotrophic organisms. Give reason. The green plants are called producers or autotrophic because they can make their own food. Consumers are the living organisms that depend on producers to get their food. Consumers are divided into two types: direct consumers and indirect consumers. Direct consumers, they feed on producers directly, like chicken and rabbit. Indirect consumers, they feed on consumers that have fed on producers, like wolf and snake. Give reason. Human is a consumer that feeds on both producers and consumers. Yes, because human feeds on green plants like vegetables and fruits, and at the same time feeds on animals like chicken, fish, and meat. Third, decomposers. Decomposers are living organisms that decompose or decay organic wastes to get their food, like bacteria and fungi, like bread mold fungus. Organic wastes are dead bodies, plant remains, decayed food. Decomposers don't have chloroplasts, so they can't make their own food. Do you know the importance of decomposers? Decomposers help us to get rid of dead bodies, increases the soil fertility, used in many industries as organic fertilizers, biogas, tanning, leather. What happens if there is no decomposers? The dead bodies will not decay and many industries will stop. Give reason why food spoils if it is left outside the refrigerator for a long time. Yes, because the decomposers decay food, so it spoils. Give reason. Decomposers have a great economic and environmental importance because they get rid of dead bodies and they are used in industry. Can you classify the following living organisms into producers, consumers, and decomposers? Human? Excellent. Consumer. Corn plant? It's a green plant, so it is producer. Wildcat? Wildcat eats meat, so it's consumer. Tree? Tree is green plant, so it's producer. Bread mold fungus? It decay and decompose the bread, the remained bread, so it is decomposer. Okay, Primary 4, your homework, worksheet number 9, booklet page 45.
Thank you, Primary 4. Please study well. See you next session. Bye-bye.